choice changes everything.
No cluster foxtrots in my unit. Let's run this. This is your champion.
Just want to give a shout out to all my fans watching. What's up?
Stay on me. I'm the jump master.
I will guide us to victory below.
Dropping in. Hang on.
I need heavy ammo.
That one's for you. That was the last one. Nice work. Patching myself up.
Let's relocate here.
Patching myself
Hostile,
up.
my marker. Frag out. Hostile spotted.
I need light ammo. I need shotgun ammo.
Enemy over there. Hostile, danger close.
Alternator here. Light ammo here.
I need it.
Hostile over there.
Attention, there is a new kill leader.
New kill leader.
Watch for them. I need shotgun ammo.
Possible loot here. Checking it out.
Scanning the area. Hostile close.
Right down range. Hostile right here.
Getting shot at.
Contact. It's spotted. He led! Give my shields a recharge.
Reloading.
Reloading. Smoke out. Two.
Already inside. They spotted me. I'm taking shots.
I bathe in the blue.
Patching myself.
Reloading. Off the mic. Spotted. Give my shields a recharge.
Enemy down.
Taking a knee. Patching up. Reloading.
the last of that enemy squad. Can't
Patching myself up.
reload.
Heavy ammo here.
Recharging my
Thanks.
shields.
I need a hop up. Select fire. Up. Got a hop up here. Anvil receiver.
Getting shot at.
Void running.
I'm taking fire. Scanning the area.
Take the fire. Give me a sec. I need shields.
Grenade. Getting shot at. Grenade.
Couldn't let down.
Grenade.
Giving him the chimney.
Recharging my shields.
Healing up. Eyes are open though.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots. Void jumping.
Confirmed hit on cargo box. Got a hop up here. Anvil receiver.
Cargo box here.
Oscar Mike, I'm spotted. Knockdown shield here. Level 4.
Heavy ammo here.
Gonna need one of these if you're bleeding out.
Need to recharge my shields.
I need shields.
I need shields.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 2. Wingman here.
I need light ammo.
Supply bin here.
Healing my wounds.
Light ammo here.
Optics here. Close range.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
I could use that.
Flatline here.
Need to recharge my shields.
Peacekeeper here.
Round 2. Beginning ring
Healing up.
countdown.
Eyes are open though.
I need a hop up. Select fire.
Champion eliminated.
Nice. Champions out. Meat Wagon's having one hell of a day.
R99 here. Helmet here.
Locking
Level
position.
2.
Dibs.
New kill leader appointed.
Careful. New kill leader.
I need a hop up. Select fire.
Gonna hop up here. Choke.
I need it.
Healing my wounds.
Let's go this way. Tango spotted.
2 other squads
Kill
remain.
leader eliminated.
Enemy spotted.
Recharging my shields.
Using a med kit. 1 sec.
Spotting loot over there. Enemy spotted.
Warning. Ring closing.
We have the benefit. We are inside the ring.
Come on in. Old pain looks great.
I'm taking fire.
Give me a sec. Recharging shields. Care package touching down.
Opening fire.
Eyes up.
Top in the chimney.
Reloading.
Enemy flying. Need lead. Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
Scanning the area.
Frag out.
Round
Countdown. Throwing grenade out. Getting shot at. My shields.
Reloading.
Reloading.
They got me. I'm down.
I downed the hostile. Reloading. Downed another.
Sergeant First Class Anita Williams. Redeploying, not dead yet. Giving him the chimney.
Killed an enemy. They spotted me. I'm taking shots. Phasing.
Reloading.
Contact.
Reloading.
Top in the chimney.
Patching myself up. One minute. Ring.
Recharging my shields. Marking our surroundings.
I'm taking shots.
Need lead.
Ring's not too far.
Give my shields a recharge.
Contact with target.
Spotted. Double timing it. Incoming. Give me a sec. Recharging shield. Take that kid. One sec.
Bless me with sight.
10 seconds to the ring.
Enemy spotted.
Explosive.
Making contact.
Getting shot at.
Giving him the chimney.
I downed the hostile.
Lead on last.
Patching myself up.
Raise. Care package touching down. They usually carry that platforms.
You are the Apex Champions.